Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Strava application that is not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open the settings on your smartphone. And here when you are inside, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of apps. Now over here, tap on the option of the app management. Then simply use the search bar and search for Strava. Now when you are able to find the Strava application here in this list, simply tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of storage usage and tap on the option of clear cache. So over here, if the application still fails after clearing the cache, you can also tap on the option of clear data, but ensure that you know that your login credentials, as this is going to sign you out of the account. After doing this, you just have to navigate to the battery and the power management settings in your settings in order to ensure that the Strava is set to the unrestricted or not optimized option. So over here inside the settings, you just have to simply come here and now use the search bar on the top and look for the option of battery. Now when you are here inside the option of battery, simply scroll down a bit and select your Strava application from the list. Afterwards, you just have to simply make sure that it is not set to unrestricted. Now you can finalize the process by opening the Google Play Store or your App Store. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Strava. Now when you search for Strava, if you see the button that is written as update right next to Strava, just have to tap on the option of update right next to it and wait for some time until the update is installing on your device. After this installation, simply restart your phone and most probably this is going to fix the problem of Strava application not working. So thank you.